Why do I fall asleep on the couch but can't sleep in bed? You might think it's just aging, high stress, or a bad mattress. But if you ignore the physical continuity of your sleep architecture, popping supplements is a complete waste of time. I'm going to share a brutal physical truth that the wellness industry hopes you never find out. The source of your 3 a.m. adrenaline spike is that late-night walk to your bathroom. We need to talk about this midnight migration, and it's time we break free from this physiological trap. The modern entertainment matrix conditioned us to pass out on the couch at 9 p.m., and the sleep aid industry loves it when you do. But we don't have to play their game anymore. In our Chinese physical wisdom, there is a zero-cost pre-sleep anchoring protocol that completely eliminates this change locations and wake-up torture. Every step you take from couch to bed is a physical assault on your nervous system. Here is why. Human sleep operates on strict 90-minute physical cycles. That first deep sleep on the couch is your golden restorative phase, flooded with maximum melatonin. When you wake up at 11 p.m. to stand up, turn on the harsh bathroom lights, and brush your teeth, you are sending a violent physical signal to your brain. To cope with this sudden vertical movement and artificial light, your body forcibly overrides the system. Your brain thinks that 11 p.m. toothbrushing is a 6 a.m. sunrise. You are manually hitting the emergency wake-up button with every flick of the light switch. The industry wants you to believe you have a medical sleep issue, but on a microscopic level, you simply deleted your own sleep program by turning on a light bulb. That is why your brain is suddenly hyperactive the moment you hit the mattress. Let's fix this together. In our Chinese physical philosophy, sleep requires absolute physical preparation. But most people make a fatal physical error right here, rendering this entire method completely useless. Here is your zero-cost anchoring protocol. Finish washing your face, brushing your teeth, and changing your clothes before 8 p.m. The core physical directive is this: if you feel sleepy on the couch, even if it's only 9 p.m., you walk directly to your bed. Absolutely no secondary sleep locations. Absolutely no couch-to-bed migration. You might think this is too simple, too basic. Because the Matrix taught you that fixing your sleep architecture must be expensive and complicated. But your biology doesn't care about their $80 designer sleep formulas or those $200 biohacker stacks, it only obeys physics. Gravity and light don't have a marketing department, but they rule your sleep far more than any pill ever will. You aren't just changing where you sleep, you are maintaining the absolute continuity of your sleep wave. No artificial light shock and no vertical movement means no cortisol spike. This is the bottom line of biophysics. You can, of course, keep following the matrix, passing out in front of the TV, physically shocking yourself awake at 11 p.m. and paying the dumb tax on expensive sleep supplements to beg for drowsiness. Or, starting tonight, you can spend exactly $0, anchor your physical routine before 8 p.m., and take back absolute control over your deep sleep. Endure endless sleep disruption, or drop back into your dreams in seconds. It's entirely up to you. If you think the sleep industry is a dumb tax, wait until you see what the skincare industry is hiding from you. Click the video on your screen right now to see why your expensive creams keep pilling, and learn the zero-cost physical fix. True health never requires a bill, it just requires you to see through the illusion. I decode a daily bug draining your physical system every day at noon. See you tomorrow.